Did you know that you can increase performance of any physical activity that you do just with proper breathing? Yeah, that's right. You can actually, if you learn how to breathe the right way, you can, without becoming better at it or becoming more fit, you can actually increase your performance by, I'll say 10%. Of course, it's impossible to count, but like in that kind of a range, maybe more. Because when you're out of breath, you become, in any sport or activity, you become kind of useless, right? Until you regain your breath. Then you start to be able to do that activity to a high degree. So here's how to not lose your breath, okay? Or at least to maintain your breath. You want to always inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth, right? Sometimes people just do both through their mouth. Sometimes people do both through their nose. And exhale and focusing on that switch of inhaling through your nose, fill up your lungs, so you get more air, and the air gets to your muscles, and it helps. Not the air gets to you, but it gives your muscles what they need to recover faster, so you can start performing quickly at the high physical rate, right? At the high sort of exertion rate. So it's always practice and really be mindful of it, because it's not really a natural thing to do, but always and when you become good at it, especially if you're like already out of breath, start doing that thing. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth, and you will really, and if you can get to the point where you're doing that without thinking during the exercise, you will really increase your performance, because you'll be running out of breath much more rarely. And you'll kind of, of course everybody's good at when they start to do the physical activity, but then they get tired, they get out of breath, and you'll have that happen a little less, right? So you'll stay for a longer period, you'll stay at your top shape, kind of top physical activity performance. And it's really the breathing. So try the breathing, focus on it, and it's going to help you be better at whatever you are doing.